students. So this is a part 2 video for the paper is 0580, paper 22, and the year is 2023. So already part 1 is over. If you didn't see the part 1, I will give you the link in the description box. You can watch the part 1 and then you can watch the part 2 this video. So the 11th question of that is find the highest common factor, that is HCF of 12 x to the power of 12 and 16 into x to the power of 16. So what is the HCF? So that we are going to find out. So here is 12x to the power of 12 is nothing but, so find out the prime factorization of that. So it is nothing but 4 threes are is 12. So 4 also you can write 2 into 3 and into x to the power of 12. And here is 16x to the power of 16. So here also find out the prime factorization of 16. So that is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and x to the power of 16. So the common numbers are here is 2 and 2, and here x to the power of 12 in a variable. So 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 into x to the power of 12 is the HCF of 12x to the power of 12 and 16x to the power of 16. And the next problem, in a regular polygon, the interior angle and the exterior angle are in the ratio interior is to exterior is 11 is to 1. Find the number of sides of the regular polygon. So it is given that in interior divided by the exterior is 11 is to 1. So the ratio is nothing but it is a fraction. And already we have the formula for interior angle of a regular polygon and exterior angle of a regular polygon. So we can apply the formulas here. So the interior angle for the polygon is 180 into n minus 2 divided by n, and the exterior angle is nothing but 360 by n. So which is equals to 11 by 1. So now, so both are fraction. So division also it is there. So when you convert into multiplication, so in the denominator, you have to take it as a, you have to take the reciprocal of the denominator. So n by 360, which is equals to 11 by 1. So n will get cancelled, 0, 0, it will get cancelled. This is 1 time and this is 2 times. So we'll be getting n minus 2 divided by 2 is equals to 11 by 1. So now cross multiply. So 1 into n minus 2 is n minus 2 only. So n minus 2 is equals to 2 into 11 is 22. So n is equals to 22. Bring this minus to the opposite side, it is plus 2. So n is equals to, will be getting 24. So 24 sides polygon. So this will be the answer for this question. So I hope you can understand this. Okay, we can move on to the next question. Is 13th question. So the diagram shows the speed time graph for the path of a car journey and calculate the total distance traveled during the 10 seconds. For this kind of sums, you have to find out the total area of the given shapes. So here we can find out the two areas. So this you can take it A2 and this is A2. This is A1 and this is A2. So for finding the area of the first one, so this is the distance of 8 and this the length is 10. So now area 1, it is L into B, it is a rectangle. So you can write it L into B, so that is 8 into 10. So which is equals to 80. And area 2 is equals to, it is area of a triangle, so that is half into BH. So half into B is, so 8 to 10. The distance is 2 units into 2 and H is 10. So 2 will get cancelled. So we'll be getting 10 here. So now we can find out the total distance traveled. So total distance traveled during the 10 minutes is 80 plus 10, which is equals to 90 meters. So 90 meters is the right answer. So I hope you can understand this answer. We can move on to the next question. So the next question, it is 14th one. The diagram shows a sector of a circle with the center O and the radius is 9 centimeter and the length of the card is PQ is 6 centimeters. So the card is length is this is 6 centimeter is given. So calculate the length of the arc PQ. So we have to find out the arc length here. So we have the formula for arc length. So arc length formula, it is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So first, finding the arc length, in the sense you must know what is theta. So this is theta. But we don't know the theta. So first you need to find out what is theta. Okay, so for that we are drawing one perpendicular line to that card. Then this is 3 and this is 3. Since it is the total length is 6, no? So this is 3 and this is 3. So now we got one right angle triangle. So this is the right angle triangle now. So from the right angle triangle, you can find out this angle. So this angle, you can take it as theta by 2. So we can use the trigonometrical ratio here, that is sine theta by 2, we can take it. So sine theta by 2 is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 3 and hypotenuse is 9. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So this is 1 by 3. So sine theta by 2 is equals to 1 by 3. Then theta by 2 is equals to, you will be getting that sine inverse of 1 by 3. So use your calculator and find out what is the answer of sine inverse of, so sine inverse of 1 divided by 3 is, you will be getting that as sine inverse of 1 divided by 3 is 19.47, and this is theta by 2. So then theta is equals to 2 into 19.47. So when you do that, 2 into 19.47 is 38.94. This is theta. So now we got what is theta. Then you can find out what is the arc length. So the arc length PQ is equals to theta by 360. Theta is 38.94 and divided by 360 into 2 into pi into r, value is given, the radius is 9 centimeters. So you can 9. So this is this one we can cancel, that is 2 ones are 2. So this is 2 ones are 2, 8 twos are is 16, 0. And this one is 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 is 0. So you can divide it like 38 point, so 38.94 divided by 20, and that is multiplied with 5. So we'll be getting that equals to 6.12. So 6.12 meter is the right answer. 6.12 centimeters, not meters, it is centimeter. Centimeter is the right answer for this. So I hope you can understand that. So we can move on to the next question is, so simplify 3125 into w to the power of 3125, the whole to the power of 1 by 5. So this is 3125. When you do that is 3125 in the prime factorization. So it is 3125 in the fifth table. We'll be getting 625. 625 again in the fifth table, you will be getting 125. Then again fifth table, you will be getting that is 25. Again fifth table, you will be getting that is 5 and 5, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this we can write 5 to the power of 5, the whole to the power of 1 by 5. So because this 1 by 5 is common for this number also. And then w to the power of 3125 into 1 by 5. So this is 1 time and this is 625 times, and this 5 will get cancelled. So finally we'll be getting 5 into w to the power of 625. So this will be the right answer. So 5 into w to the power of 625. So this is the final answer. And the next question. So y is inversely proportional to x square, and when x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2. So y is inversely proportional means y is equals to k by x square. That is the required equation. And then it is given that x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2. So just take those values and substitute in this equation. So 2 is equals to k by 3 is, so 3 square, 3 threes are 9. So from this, k is equals to, we'll be getting 9 into 2, which is equals to 18. So k is equals to, we got 18. So the original equation will become y is equals to 18 by x square. So now when x is equals to 2, what is the value of y? When x is equals to 2, y is equals to 18 by 2 square. So 18 by 4. So 2 twos are 4, 9 twos are is 18. So it is 9 by 2. So when you divide it, you will be getting 4.5. So y is equals to 4.5. So this will be the final answer for this question. So I hope you can understand this. Okay, we can move on to the next question. So this is cyclic theorem. So we are so the all the cyclic theorems we are using it here. So the first thing they ask you to find out the angle CBD. So the angles are given. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and ABX is a straight line is given and PQ is a tangent of the circle at A and the angle CBX is 85 is given and angle BAQ is 55 is given and CAD is given 42. So first one you should find out the angle CBD. CBD you should find out. CBD means this one you should find out. So for finding this angle, when you observe that, so this is B, D, C, and you will be having this angle. So when you see that, so this is 42. Then obviously this also 42, no? Because these two angles are at the same sector. Angle at the same sector, it will be equal, no? So by that rule, we can fix it. This is 42 degree. So we can write this is 42 degree. And the next one, it is the angle ACB. So angle ACB, this angle you should find out. So for finding this angle, this will be equals to 55. So angle ACB is equals to this exterior angle is there, no? So that will be equals to that. So this is 55 degree. So you can write here is 55 degree. And the next one is angle ADC. Next you should find out what is angle ABC. The whole angle you should find out. So the angle ABC is equals to this 85. So this angle will be 85 degree. So this is 85 degree. 85 you can write directly. The next one you should calculate the angles BCD. So BCD, so BCD, the whole angle you should find out. So already you know this angle. So first you need to find out what is this angle. So for that, so you can use it, this angle you should find out. So for that you can take this triangle. So when you take this triangle, so sum of all the angles in the triangle, it will be equals to 180, no? So from 180 minus 85 plus 42. So when you do that, you will be getting this angle DCA. So use your calculator and do it 180 minus 85 and minus 42. Or you can add it and do also, it's fine. So that is 53 degrees. So this is 53. So therefore, angle BCD is equals to 55 plus 53. So 53 plus 55 is 108 degree. So this is equals to 108 degree. So you can write it here is 108 degree. The next you should find out the angle BAD. So angle BAD is, so BAD. So this angle you should find out. So when you observe that the whole angle, it is 180. So if you know this angle, you can easily find out this, no? So for that, what I am doing it is Mm, so this is, and this is 55 means obviously, so yeah, before adding this, we can do it like this also. If this is 53 means, and this will be 53 only. So this also will be 53. This angle is 53 means this is 53. So this is 55 means this is 55. This is 53 in this sense, this is 53. So directly also you can write it. So this is 53 degree. That's it. So if you know all the theorems, it will be easy to answer this. This is just a 6 mark question. Okay. I hope you can understand this question. We can move on to the next one is the two solids are in mathematically similar and have volumes 81 centimeter cube and 24 centimeter cube, and the surface area of a similar solid is 44 centimeter square. Calculate the surface area of the larger solid. So here what we have to do is, they didn't mention that what mathematical shape that is, but the similar volume, similar shapes is given that. So the word is similar means you should find out the ratios. So, but here it is given that, so the two volumes are given. So you can take it like 81 by 24. So it is the cube root. So you can take it cube root of that. That will be equals to, here it is the area is given, the smaller area only you should given. So you should find out the largest area of the solid. So you can take it the largest area as x, and this is 44. So to the power of 1 by 2. So it is the area. So it is square root. So now what I am doing is, so the square root I am going to take it to the opposite side, and cube root I am taking to the opposite side. So it will become 81 by 24 the whole square, and this will become x by 44 the whole cube. So from this I have to solve it for x. So x cube is equals to 81 by 24 the whole square into this, bring this 44 cube this side, you will be getting 44 cube. So use your calculator for solving this. So directly you can do that, 81 divided by 24 the whole square, and multiple of 44 cube, and taking the cube root of that also directly. So what answer you are getting, find out the cube root of that. It is 99. So you will be getting that x is equals to directly 99 centimeter square. So 99 centimeter square is the right answer. So directly you can do the calculation for this. So this is also such an easiest question only. And I hope you can understand this question. We can move on to the 19th one now. So the 19th one is, find the value of x when 6x plus y is equals to 10 and y is equals to x square minus 3x plus 10. So this is the first equation and the second first equation, and this is first and this is second equation, take it. So use the second equation value in substitute second in first equation. Okay. So we'll be getting that is, so the first equation implies 6x and y value substitute that is x square minus 3x plus 10 is equals to 10. So now both the sides 10, 10 is there, it will get cancelled. So x squared, 6x plus minus 3x is plus 3x is equals to 0. So both the side x is common, take it out. So the remainder it will be here is x plus 3 is equals to 0. So from this x is equals to 0 and x plus 3 is equals to 0. So when you take x plus 3, then x is equals to, it is minus 3. So we got x is equals to 0 and x is equals to minus 3. 0 and minus 3. So these are the two values for this. So I hope you can understand that. We can move on to the next question. So 20th question. And find the nth term of the sequence minus 1, 0, 7, 26, and 63. So first find out the difference of these two numbers. So the difference of these two number is this one is 0 minus of minus 1 is plus 1 and 7 minus 0 is plus 7 and 26 minus 7 is 19 plus 19 and when you take it 63 minus 26 is 37. So plus 37. So the difference is not same. So this is the first difference. So the first difference is not same. So you can go for the second difference. Okay, second difference is so 7 minus 1 is plus 6 and 19 minus 7, which gives you plus 12, and then 37 minus 19, which gives you 18 plus 18. So this second difference also is not same. So you can go for the third difference. So the third difference it will be, so this is second difference, this is the first difference. So this is plus 6. So you will be getting here is the difference between the 12 and 6 is plus 6, and if you are getting 18, so 18 minus 12, that is also is plus 6. So all the values in the third difference only we are getting the same thing. Okay. So when you have the first difference is same, that is a linear equation, you will be getting it. The nth term, it should be a linear. If the second difference is same, that is the quadratic equation you will be getting as the nth term. But the third difference is same means you will be having the cubic equation. So the cubic equation general form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equals to 0. So for that, you will have to find out what is the value of a, b, c, d. So for that, if the x is equals to 1, first term x is equals to 1 means this equation will become a plus b plus c plus d. So the cubic equation, we have the difference formula. The table is there. So I will give you the table separately. I will put the video for that. So this one I will just tell you the table values alone. So here the third difference is always will be equals to 6a from the table. So the original table, when you compare to this, you will be getting 6a is equals to 6. So from that, a is equals to 6 by 6. So a is equals to 1. You will be getting a is equals to 1. And the second difference, so this one will be equals to 12a plus 2b, which is equals to that. So that is equals to plus 6. So a is equals to 1. And so 12 plus 2b is equals to 6. Then 2b is equals to 6 minus 12. So 2b is equals to 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Then b is equals to minus 6 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6. So b is equals to negative 3. You will be getting it. And the next one is the third number. So the third difference is plus 1. That is always will be equals to 7a plus 3b plus c. So that is equals to plus 1. So already we know that what is a and b. So take that and substitute 7. B is 3. So minus 3 threes are is 9 plus c is equals to 1. 7 minus 9 is minus 2. So minus 2 plus c is equals to 1. Then c is equals to 1 plus 2. Then c is equals to 3. So we got c is equals to 3. Then the last one, this one is always will be equals to a plus b plus c plus d is equals to negative 1. So when you substitute all the values here, you will be getting 1 minus 3 plus d is equals to negative 1. So 3 will get cancelled. So d is equals to negative 1 minus 1. So d is equals to negative 2. So finally we'll be getting, so all the d value also we got it. So all a, b, c, d values just substitute in the original equation. So it will become um, x cube and minus 3x square and plus 3x and minus 2, which is equals to 0. So this is the nth term. So nth term, so we can write Tn is equals to. So Tn is equals to ax x cube minus 3x square plus 3x and minus 2 is equals to. That is the nth term of this. I hope you can understand that. And I will rub that and do the B problem here. So the next B problem, when you observe that, that is, this looks like the geometric progression, geometric sequence. So when you take the geometric sequence, it is the common ratio, it will be 12 by 24 and second term divided by the first term and third term divided by the first term and 3 by 6 like that. It is like that. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are is 12, 12 ones are 2, so 2, all the ratios is 1 by 2. So nth term for the geometric sequence is Tn is equals to a r to the power of n minus 1. So a is the first value 24. So you can write as 24. So 24 r value is 1 by 2 to the power of n minus 1. So this is the nth term of this geometric sequence. That's all. So I hope you can understand this part. So thank you for watching this video. So the remaining questions, I will put it on the part 3 video. So thank you for watching this and please like and subscribe it. And if you want for the regular classes, you can go through that www.raytube.com. I will give the link on the description box. You can join for the regular classes and free demo also it is available. Thank you everyone.